Look at all the fish.
Look at him, he's so cute. Look at him.
The sharks are really cool.
Yeah.
Destiny loves all the fish. I swear, I think she could stay here for like hours. Destiny, do you see the fish, honey? Yeah, look at all of them. Destiny.